Hey guys! Today I received a package from Miniature Sweet in the mail, and I had decided that I wasn't going to make a video every time I received something from them, but this time I remembered that I ordered stickers, so I thought I would share it with you because we all know what goes in the sticker file stays in the sticker file. I also got a few other goodies, so let's take a look together. To start with, I have some Totoro stickers here. There's some Japanese writing on the back, and they look pretty cool. There are a lot of designs. I go to a Ghibli shop in Tokyo, but the last time I went, they didn't have too much stationery. I got some washi tapes, but I don't have any Ghibli stickers, so I thought this would be cool. I thought maybe I could make a phone case or something, and I don't know, we'll see. I'll integrate these into my crafts somehow. Next, I got a bunch of these. They're not quite washi tape stickers. They're almost like tracing paper stickers, and they are very, very cute. Here we have some candies, and here's some animals, and it looks like this is kind of a cosmetic set. I will go ahead and open one so you guys can see what they're like. I thought that these would be good for my Hobonichi journaling, which I'm going to be making videos on, guys. I filmed my first one, so I'm really excited about that, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. I'm still a newbie at it, but you can see how I improve, if I improve. So, like I said, they are like tracing paper stickers. They're really pretty. I just love how soft and pastel they are. They have a little bit of foil sparkle on them, and I'm really into this style right now, so I was really excited to find these on Miniature Sweet's website. I don't know if they always had stickers or if it's new, but I just stumbled across them recently. Finally, I got this pack of stickers, and it looks like there are multiple sheets in here. There's Korean writing on the bottom here, so I'm assuming they're Korean. Here are the designs. Looks like we have some bunnies and foods and more foods. Kind of pickled jams and jars and I don't know, that kind of stuff. Here we have some sweets. Looks like these are all kind of different styles. Ooh, cookies. This is cute. That's a pretty hearty pack of stickers. And I did notice they did have some more character stickers, but some of them were out of stock, so hopefully they'll be restocking or getting some more. And then, of course, I did get some crafting supplies. Here's a little packet. Looks like I got some extras. Oh, a little paw mold. Look at that. Oh, I want to use gummy resin with this. That'd be so cute. There are some more goodies in here. Oh, what is this bezel? Oh, it's Rapunzel! I do have a few more of these princess charms from Miniature Sweet, and I kind of forgot about them, so that'll be a video soon. Hirakuma! This is a perfect phone case size sticker, which is also going to be an upcoming video. I'm gonna actually work on it after this. It's not a Hirakuma case, but I'm gonna make a smartphone case. I got a pack of seashells because I wanted to make kind of a ocean, marine, nautical theme piece, and these tiny shells were perfect. These are, I guess, decals, and I guess they're nail decals, but I thought they could be used in resin if I can get them open. Oh, there are, wow, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 sheets in here. I don't know, but there are a bunch of designs. I don't know if you can see it because they're so shiny. These will be great for my resin pieces. As always, I will link everything down below. I do have a link where I do get a little commission when you buy from it, so if you're interested in buying, if you would use my link, that would help me out a lot. On to the next item. I got this sakura mold. I liked it because it came with the flower, some leaves, and the branch. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet, but it looked cool. I got some tiny star molds because you can never have too many tiny molds, and I don't have a star that tiny, and I thought that was pretty impressive. And I found this silicone mixing bowl. I think this is new because I looked at their different measuring cups and mixing cups a few months ago when I was ordering, but they didn't have silicone. Now this is gonna be really nice for when you mix your resin because you can pop this into the UV lamp and cure it, and then the resin's just gonna peel off when you're done, so it's easy cleanup. Even better than the plastic cups. And this, oh, I'm super excited about this. This is a little packet of gears, and they are tiny, tiny gears. A lot of different shapes in here, and I've kind of been interested in making pastel steampunk pieces. I haven't quite, you know, meshed out the whole concept yet, but that's something I want to work on, so those will be perfect. And then I think I have a few bezels in here. Little whales. More whales. Oh, I was gonna make matching earrings for me and my friend because I think I'm finally gonna re-pierce my ears. Oh, and these drinks. I thought they would make cute little charms for the summer, make little cocktails. some Sailor Moon charms. I think these are Sailor Moon, you know, magical girl type charms. I think it's Sailor Moon, right? And some wings. Again, I thought these would make cute earrings. And these bezels. You can never have too many of these. These are so perfect. You can put stickers in them. You can put other metal charms in them. You can do so much with these. And the bezels themselves are really detailed and nice quality, so they really help make the finished piece look, you know, kind of upscale. So that was my haul from Miniature Sweet. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope maybe this brought you a little bit of motivation to craft. I love watching other craft hauls. And I'm glad to know that Miniature Sweet is a good source for stickers now. I never knew that. So yeah, if you liked any of this stuff, I will leave the links down below. I hope you check it out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!